When there's a big change in plans and you want to delete an entire category or section of assignments in Homeschool Planet, it's a few steps and we're going to show you how to do that today. You're going to start by going to the class where you would like to delete the assignments and choose it from the calendar, and as always, click Edit Mode. Then, when you're in the account, you're going to be in the Assignments tab and select the date range of assignments you'd like to impact. I'm actually going to go from today all the way to the end of the school year. Next, if you have an identifying feature that will make things easier, I'm going to delete all the assignments called Review. So if I type that in here, it will filter it to show all the assignments that say Review. Next, this magic little edit button here, when you click it, will open an option to either replace, which we'll use in another video where you can edit things, or we can delete. So I'm going to double check all my check marks and make sure. Now maybe I've decided I want to delete reviews that are scheduled for Tuesdays and not Thursdays, in which case I would deselect all the Tuesday assignments, or if it's quicker, use the master key and then just do a few. But I could go through, get rid of the Tuesday ones through the end of the schedule, and then when I've made all my selections and I've double checked it, I'm going to select Delete. It's going to say, do you really want to delete those? Yes, I do. Now make sure you do, because they're not retrievable once you do. Flip. And now those are gone. So I'm going to hit Save and Close, and you'll see that those review assignments are now gone, except for the ones I left on Tuesday. So I have a review on Tuesday, none on Thursday. A review on Tuesday, none on Thursday. So it's a great way to just quickly delete a section of assignments. Instead, if you don't have a term, you can still do the same thing. You're going to go in, you're going to go to assignments, you're going to turn that on, and then you can say you want to delete, let's say, everything on September 14th, 15th, and 16th. I'm going to hit delete. It's going to say, okay, your lines are only for a certain time period. Are you positive this is how you want it? Yes, it is. Flip. Yes. And now those assignments on the 14th, 15th, and 16th are gone. I hope this is helpful and gives you some more tools to use Homeschool Planet to its fullest ability. As always, reach out with any questions to us at support@homeschoolplanet.com, or reach out through the help button where it says contact us. Have a great day. Bye-bye.